Email is a critical tool for our work and personal lives. While Gmail is one of the most popular and accessible inboxes around, there is always room for improvement when it comes to maximizing efficiency. This is useful if you've got a time-sensitive email, but you're not around to send it manually. Previously, this feature involved an extension, but now it's much easier to implement. After you've composed your message, simply click the down arrow to send. Then choose Schedule Send. From here, you'll be able to choose between a few different options. You ever find yourself crafting a similar email over and over again? Save yourself some time by creating a basic template in Gmail. First, navigate to Settings. Then Advanced. Then Templates, and switch the feature on. Now, after you craft an email you'd like to templatize, you can save it as a new template. Gmail provides a ton of options for themes, but let's be honest, we all know you're looking for that dark mode. Give your eyes a break by tapping into Quick Settings and choosing View All next to Theme. Unfortunately, your new theme won't affect the entire Gmail experience, but it's still a nice change of pace from the default setting. This is a big one for anyone who has typed a response, sent the email, and immediately regretted their decision. Gmail's default window for undoing a sent email is only 5 seconds long. Buy yourself some more time by visiting All Settings, Undo Send, and selecting a more generous timeline, all the way up to a 30-second delay. If you are someone who is constantly flooded with all types of emails, it may be time to get organized. Luckily, Gmail allows you to set rules for certain messages and assign them to their own unique inbox. All you need to do is head over to Quick Settings and view your options under Inbox Type. Then choose Customize and browse through all the inbox settings. What are some of your favorite Gmail tips? Drop a comment below and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.